Hey guys, how's everyone doing? So if you've been following the auto industry recently, you know there's been a lot of problems. Not just Honda, Acura, but across the board. It's like you get nervous if you're thinking about buying a new car right now just because they're not built the same. So you're trying to decipher what vehicle to get will give you the most trouble-free years. And usually it's always been kind of the top vehicles that come out on top as far as having the least problems. You might think of Lexus, been really good, trouble-free, reliable. But this will even show you that no matter what manufacturer it is, they're having a lot of issues. Let me go ahead and explain exactly what just came out now. So like I said, I don't think any auto manufacturer is immune to it now. It's like maybe 15 years ago, you could buy a car and not have any issues with it for 7-8 years easy. Now, it's not really the case. Well, a brand new recall just came out, and this one's a little bit more shocking because you don't hear about it as often. It's been an auto manufacturer that's been really reliable, but this will show you that every vehicle now has problems. So if you're kind of shying away from it, from all these cars have problems, well, they're all going to. You kind of just want to stick to a manufacturer that you trust, you believe in, it has the least amount of problems or the smallest problems. Like you don't want major engine, transmission problems, all that kind of stuff. So Toyota, Subaru, and Lexus just issued a recall. And what's interesting about this is a lot of times they'll recall X amount of vehicles and they'll say only 10% of the vehicles will be affected. Well, on this recall, they're saying that 100% of the vehicles are affected by this recall. So every vehicle on this list, and it's 11,495 for Toyota, Subaru has 4,700, and then Lexus has 4,700. So it's over 20,000 vehicles, and they're saying 100% of them are affected. And it has to do with the 2026 Toyota BZ, the Subaru RZ, and the Lexus RZ. If you know anything about these, they're all their EVs that share the same platform. So that tells you why that they all have the same recall. But Toyota said that the recall is due to a faulty electronic control unit that will cause the vehicle to lose power while you're driving. We've seen things similar to this with Honda actually, even where you could be driving, all of a sudden it cuts power, and that could be a problem if you're pulling out in traffic, wanting to get across some lanes, and all of a sudden it just dies. That could be a major problem. But as far as this goes, so if you have a 2026 Toyota BZ, Subaru RZ, and the Lexus RZ, know that you'll have an affected vehicle because they use all the same parts in it and they recalled all of them. So if you have one of these, you can take it to your closest dealer and they'll update the battery ECU, of course, free of charge. So it's an easy thing, is they just do an update. And a lot of the EVs are like that they can just do like reprogramming and you're good to go. So it's not some major intrusive thing they have to do to your vehicle. And then if you're waiting for a letter, they're going to start mailing them out August 3rd. So you have about a month and you should expect a letter. But I'm always telling you, don't wait for the letter. They get lost all the time and then you think you're fine, but you're not. Just call the dealer. They can look it up by your VIN and they'll tell you if you're one of the affected ones. And in the video description, I'll put all the recall numbers that correspond to Toyota and Subaru and then the Lexus. So you'll know exactly when you call them, you just tell them that number and then they look it up. So they don't have to be guessing what recall you're referring to because sometimes they don't know. So again, I just want to keep you guys updated. Like I said, it's not just Honda and Acura, it's everybody. And this is a brand new vehicle, 2026, and it still has issues. So it's just something that you have to deal with. The good thing is they're covered, they stand behind them, and that's the main thing. Toyota, Lexus, great company. There's some of the best vehicles out there. And they do really have the least amount of recalls that I've been seeing recently. So that's always a good thing. So again, if you have any questions, comments, leave them below. I'll get right back to you. I appreciate it. And I'll catch you guys on the next video. Thanks again, everybody.